Welcome to Extreme Golf Cart Makeover.
Dude, who are you talking to?
If you're joining us for the first time, we're remodeling a Yamaha G29 golf cart from top to bottom.
He's doing that thing again where it pretends to be on.
So against my better judgment, we've decided to put the entire series on the internet. A place where people come to yell at one another and share photos of their cats. Stick around for the end of today's episode to see this month's sweepstakes winners announced and find out how you can enter to win big for your cart too by visiting our series homepage at the address on your screen. In the meantime, we're moving on to the next phase of the renovation by installing the new body panels to the cart. We're using a G29 Vortex body kit by DoubleTake in a blue on black theme. But DoubleTake has a huge variety of color options available in full makeover upgrade kits for top models from Yamaha, EZGO, and Club Car. So we'll link those in the video description below for you to check out all the options for your vehicle. We started by drilling out the spaces for our forward reverse handle and choke to install the rear body. And for a cleaner look, we also replaced the rocker panels because the originals had what pretentious people call patina, but we call it damage from a life on the golf course, so we also replaced the bagwell and service cover for the same reason. Next, we attached the wiring for the light fixtures and dropped the new front cowl on the cart. We used as many of the original fasteners as we could, but we did wind up having to purchase an assortment of plastic fasteners, which you can find at online retailers or auto parts stores. So, technically, whether you like our videos or not, you have no choice but to find this episode absolutely riveting. We wrapped it up by testing the lights and turn signals, even though most of the people that drive near me don't seem to understand how to use them, and we hope you'll stay tuned for the rest of our customization, including a new top, custom seats, and much more. So don't miss out on the rest. Make sure to visit the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover page at the address on your screen to follow the whole transformation and enter to win awesome monthly prizes or go for the $3,000 grand prize in the sweepstakes. Here are the 3 lucky winners taking home Golf Cart Garage store credit this month. Third prize goes to Devin M. from Nevada, who won $50 for his club car. Second prize goes to Samantha S. from Texas, who won $100 for her EZGO. And congratulations to our first prize winner, Brandon E. from Utah, who won $200 for his EZGO.
You feeling lucky, punk?
So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call if there's anything we can do to help with your project. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Congratulations to all our winners. And thanks for watching GCG TV.